A very good morning to all of you students. So our debate topic today is what democracy is the best form of government. And I'm going to start the debate with my quotation that we live in a democratic country. All over the world, people want democracy everywhere. All over the world, people want democracy. Countries that were not democratic earlier are also becoming democratic country now. Means those who were not democratic country, they are also trying to become a democratic nowadays. All great people have said nice things about democracy. We have heard a lot of nice things also. So isn't it obvious that democracy is the best? Let us start the topic by getting your views also. And once I said, when I'm trying to say this one also, that we should not accept something just because it is famous. Yes, democracy is nowadays very famous. So what I am saying over here, that we should not accept everything that it is because it is famous, because everyone else accept it. Isn't it possible that everyone is following a wrong path? That I want to say, that everyone is saying that democracy is the best form of government, and every country wants to get this type of government in their country, democracy type of government. So what I am saying over here, that is it not possible that what everyone is following might be the wrong path? So that is the starting of the debate. Let me get the things that who want to speak over here. I'm saying that it might be the wrong path also. Is it really the best form of government, and why? Please raise your hand. Come on. Yeah, Om Raj Singhania. Very good. One by one. Yes,
It
everyone.
is a best form of government because here nobody that president is not means whoever is a powerful we are electing is not he cannot control all the what he wants. We can remove him by ourselves if we don't like his work.
So that is why democracy is the best form of government, you think?
Means here public is a leader in a one way. We
Yes,
are just
yes.
electing a person to rule a country.
Very good, Om Raj Singhania. Now I'm giving chance to Supriya. Yes, Supriya, what you're thinking?
Democracy is the best form of government because it provides us all the rights. And so the rights provide the conditions which are essential for the development of the country.
Okay. Then Roshni, what we want to say? Would you like to respond, Om Raj Singhania and Supriya? Roshni?
I'm in the favor.
Okay.
So I
How?
want to say,
Yes.
according to me, like if we go for monarchy system or any other system, in that case, the citizens of the country are not allowed to choose the representative whom they want, which kind of representative they should have for them, what qualities they want in the leader which they want. But in democracy, we can elect the representative whom we want, which kind of what facilities we want from the representative or the leader which we want to choose, whom we want to choose, and who will be suitable for us. But if we go for others, then in that case, it won't be so suitable for us.
Very good,
So according
Roshni.
to me,
Yes. According to you?
democracy is the best one.
Best one. Okay. That's why you like it. Okay. Now I'm giving chance to next one, Rishika. Would you like to cross question anyone or present your view?
Yes, yes. Actually, I want that democracy is present in all the parts of the world. Then still some countries are having monarchy rule, like Saudi Arabia and Oman, etc. So what about that country where the citizen is not able to show their points? And if we talk about our country, then how can we say that democracy is the best form of government? In every sector of government there is a corruption.
Yes, yes, that is also a great point, Rishika, that democracy leads to corruption. That you want to say, my dear? Okay, next is Ravi Raj.
Sir, I am in for the motion
Mhm.
because democracy improves the quality of decision making as it is based on the consultation and discussion.
Yes, 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 yes. Very good
And for
point,
the
my dear.
point,
Yes.
and the point for Rishika, sir, when anything implements, it has side effect also. It has good advantages also and bad advantages also. And democracy have more good advantages less than disadvantages. So we can acquire a democracy, and democracy is the best form of government.
Great point, Ravi Raj. Great point. Everyone has every coin has two sides. So democracy has also some worst side also, but we will have to look into the good one. Great one, Ravi Raj. Very good. Now I'm giving chance to Ani.
So, according to me, democracy is the best form of government because in this, the rulers for the country is directly selected by us, by the people, and the government for the people is by the people because we are able to, like, if we do any mistake in choosing our government, we have the power to remove that person. We have the power to remove that government if we are not satisfied with that government. Democracy, we get all the rights to do whatever we want, and
Okay,
we have
okay,
all the
yes,
freedom.
yes, yes, very good. But I want to do a like to cross a question in front of you. I want to say that we got independence in India in 1947, and it is almost
Yes,
73 years, you know, now. So, what has
yes,
democracy brought to our country? 7 decades of democracy, and there is no so much power, and there is so much poverty in the country is itself there after 70 years of a democratic country. So what has democracy given to us in these 70 years? Why should we say that democracy is the best form of government? Then our country should be the top, at the top. We are following democracy from these 70 years. Then how is it you can say that democracy is still the best form of government? I have a point over here. I do not agree with this one. What do you would like to say?
so because we have the power, if we don't have democracy, then don't have power to speak anything. Like in monarchy system and all, the people who used to raise their voice, they are like not allowed to speak. But in democracy, we can speak, we can
Yes,
raise our
yes,
voice.
yes, my dear. We have raised our voice. We have spoken. We have done everything. The citizens have done on their part, I think. But what has the government done? Where is the progress in these 70 years? Okay, I am giving chance to Ashvi now. Would you like to answer me, Ashvi? Ashvi,
So
yes,
in
yes.
these 70 so in these 70 years our country has changed a lot. So here in our country industrializations took place. Now we are much and more up in upper level than we were 70 years before.
Can you cite few examples to prove it?
So
Okay, no issue. Aditya Singh, I'm giving you the chance. Would you like to respond whether democracy is the best form of government? Then you will have to answer my that question also.
Sir, I think democracy is the worst form of government. Sir, at the time
Please,
before,
Aditya Singh, repeat once.
sir, it is the worst form of government.
Okay.
Sir, as you were talking about the poverty during,
Yes.
let me take an example of before World War II. You know, sir, everyone should be knowing Hitler.
Yes.
During
Yes.
the Great Economic Depression, he gave our economic responsibility to an economist. He used the full production and full employment. That's at that time he removed the poverty from Germany.
Yes. 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 Okay. Then
Sir,
you mean to
because
say
the
yes.
full
Yes.
employment means every full employment means that the Hitler what the means is, if you are producing a tank, uh, 2 tanks in a day, you should produce 4. So for more work, they will require more person, and the poverty will be gone.
Okay, okay. So what you actually mean to say that what has democracy to do with this particular thing? I want to say, want to include
They
my,
used to just
yes.
take up this agenda as the political, at the time of voting or elections.
Yeah, yeah. Very good point,
Sir,
Aditya Singh. Yes. So according to you, it is the worst form of democracy. Would anyone would like to answer Aditya Singh over here? I'm giving chance to Rishika over here.
So actually, I'm fully agreed with Aditya Singh. And when you talk about the development, I think development can't be happened in the India, because due to development occur with some of the points like education. And in education, government gives ST and OBC have right to fully reservation, and this type of reservation may affect the development of India, because an average student don't have and get the chance to explore their talent. And the people who are not that average type of student, they can get the chance to do government work or any development towards India. I don't think so, that it is very important to give chance to that person who is untouchable. Or sometimes when we say about ST and ST, the thing we get in the mind that middle class people don't got enough opportunity to show their talent in front of the India, and that's the biggest reason about development.
Okay, okay, very good. I got your point, Rishika, and very awesome. You have given a lot of points to us. Now I'm giving chance to Roshni. Would you like to cross, sir? As Roshni was saying that it is the best form of government also. So Roshni, would you like to answer anyone?
Yes, I want to answer
Aditya Singh. Okay.
Rishika also, because I
Yes.
like the points of Rishika. She was right. But I want to answer to Aditya that Aditya was telling Hitler, he did in his country the country developed. But the country developed, the poverty went. But what about the people of that country? He killed those people who were not able to do the work. In that case, what about the humanity?
But
We should be
yes, yes,
thankful
yes, yes.
in India that we should be thankful in India that in our country the nobody without any reason killing any person if they are not able to do any work.
But I want to include my view over here, that democracy is all about chaos, instability, corruption, hypocrisy, man's farab. So politicians fight among themselves. Who cares for the country? Then how can you say that it is the best form of government? Might have seen that there is many corruption, there is many hypocrisy, chaos, instability, and many times politicians used to fight among themselves. They do not care for the people. So how can you say that democracy is still the best form of the government?
So the representatives and all let the parties fight among each other, because they used to show that the mistakes of each other, that what sort of mistake they are doing, and that mistake showing that mistake showing property helps the representatives to solve the problem.
Okay.
In that case,
Yeah. Yes.
in that case, if one of the parties show the problem, what mistakes they are doing, then the parties used to correct it, or they used to show each other's problems, and in that case, it used to be solved. Or otherwise, if they found the problem, then then that representative used to be removed.
Okay, okay, very good point, Roshni. You are just giving us a lot of points also. Very good one. So, who would like to answer Roshni over here? Please raise your hands once again. Who would like to answer? Om? Yes, I'm giving you the chance.
Yes, sir. I wanna add point to Roshni I want to tell to Aditya that with Roshni that we are not anyone to control anybody's life. If a Hitler, if a person is disabled and we kill them because he can't do work, then we have a right, that freedom in our country, that if we are not we are disabled, we can do another work, or we can have or we can do anything which can improve us. But in democracy, there are some faults, but because of some faults, we can't blame the whole system.
Okay, because of some. So, you agree that there are some points which are not good for democracy also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'm giving chance to Supriya. Would you like to cross anyone over here? Supriya, would you like to answer?
Sir, you.
Yes, tell me, tell me.
Sir, sir, I agree with you that you said the development of our country has not took place so much like other.
Yes, then I am right
So
that
let me.
democracy is not the best form of government. I am right then.
No, you're not right. Let me tell you one thing,
Yes.
sir. Sir, I agree that development of our country has not took place like other countries like America. But the situation and the condition of people in our country has changed. It's totally changed. Only, sir, like previously, what happens actually? There were slaves who used to work. People used to force them to work, and now what happens? We have, according to democracy, we have the right against exploitation. No one have the right to. No one can force us to do anything to any child, to any woman, and no one and no child and no child can be forced to do any work, any labor thing. And we have many rights, like we have the right cultural and educational rights also. This also changed the condition of person. Previously the girls were not able to. Sir, are you listening me?
Yes, yes, of course. I'm listening.
Sir, previously what actually now we have the cultural and educational rights also. Previously what happens, that the let me so previously what happened, the girls were not able to get education, but now in India girls are able to education, take education. And so what happens, let me tell you one thing. In Mumbai, there is Taj Hotel, and in that Taj Hotel, one person has gone, and the security asked him that why you are wearing this dhoti. He was wearing dhoti, and he gone there, and he told that you cannot wear this. You need to wear any suitcase or like that jeans and like that. So he filed a case against him, and he went in the jail. So sir,
Okay, yes. Okay,
and we have.
then. So what you actually is saying that we have got educational right, we have got right to against exploitation also. So that
Yes,
is
sir.
because of all this, democracy is the best form of government. Okay, I
Yes,
would like
sir.
to give chance to Astha because she has raised her hand for the first time. Let us see what she want to express. Astha.
Yes, sir. Sir, I want to answer you.
Okay, I would like to get answers.
Sir, as you have asked that what development India made after getting democratic. So India has made a lot of development in various sectors. For example, it has made growth in agriculture sector, as now India is progressing in agriculture. Like it has been somewhat like steady kind of, as the situation has become steady, because now not that many people are dying out of hunger. They are dying, but not that many. and due to a lot of improvement in food programs, in food resources, India has developed a lot in agriculture sector. Then it has developed in education sector, as government has launched a lot of programs to ensure that the children are getting educations, like, and it provides midday meals,
Okay,
and
okay. I would like to include something there, that more than 2 lakh people every year die in India because of tuberculosis, because of cholera, and I think I know that they are curable disease. No one should die of this one, but still, in a democratic type of government, people are dying of curable diseases also. So that's why I'm saying democracy is not the best one. And I would like to say over here that I think that this country needs a strong leader, someone who does not have to bother about election and parliament. One leader should have all the powers. What I'm saying, Astha, listen it carefully. What I'm saying, that one leader, that particular leader should have all the powers. He should be able to do whatever is needed in country's interest. That alone can remove corruption and poverty from this country. What do you like to say over here?
say this will not work because the democracy has distributed power so that there cannot be misuse of power, and you are saying to give all the powers to one leader.
Yes, yes, I'm saying that because that leader will be very will work freedom, and with freedom, no one will be there to stop him, and he will take decisions in favor of the countries. So that's why I want to say, because in a democratic type of country, to make one simple decision, 1 year always taken, almost 1 year time may be taken to make one simple decision also. So it takes a lot of time, but only if the power to make final decision will lie on the shoulder of one man, then he will make quick decisions also, no? So that our country will progress quickly also. That I want to say.
But sir, for that we need to find that kind of person also, and in this current situation present, we are not able, we cannot get any people whom like, we cannot rely on any single people. That is why the power is distributed among a lot of people, and if all those responsibilities will be given on the shoulder of one person, then he might misuse it also.
Oh my God, you want to say that misuse? But let me take an example of me. I want to be that leader. I am saying that I will make progress for the country. Give all the powers to me. Are you ready?
No sir.
Why? Why are you not ready?
So, because I'm not ready, because I think that this responsibility is not like a piece of cake. It is the responsibility of a whole country. And how can we believe you? Can you give us some? How can we believe you that you will take the responsibility and you will follow it
If
like
you will give me the chance
respectfully?
only, na. If I will get the chance, then only na I can prove. Would Rishika would like to answer me? Rishika. Okay, who would like to answer me? I'm saying the power should be given to one man only. Asvi is there. Aditya Singh is there. Yes, Aditya Singh.
I want to cross. I totally disagree with Ravi that he said that every person has a negative side and a positive side. As Hitler also, so he did some good work and some most of the bad works.
Yes, yes. But
Sir,
Rosni, yes, yes. Carry on.
sir, I want to cross question also, Astha also, that in they are dying of food because why they are dying with of food, because they are not having employment, they are not having healthcare free healthcare facilities. Why? What the government is doing with? Why democracy? I
Yes,
want to
yes,
ask her.
yes, yes. Who would like to answer Aditya Singh over here? I am giving opportunity to Oni. Come on, Oni. Respond him. Ravi Raj. Okay, Oni is why Oni is not responding? Okay, I'm giving chance to Ravi Raj. Would you like to respond him?
as you have told that poverty. The poverty is not due to democracy; it is due to population. Government are
Yes.
giving schemes at all, but as you know that India has the second largest population in the world. The population is too much that the scheme are not available to all the persons. So, so it is due to
Have
population,
you
not due to
ever heard about the Chara Ghotala Mamla done by Lalu Prasad Yadav? It is the example of Bihar.
Yeah, right.
Due to democracy only, why this Lalu Prasad has did this? What
Aditya Singh, I would like to say that please
and due to
don't.
democracy only he is in the jail.
Okay, okay,
why
okay.
so late? Why so late?
But at least that particular man has got the thing that
Justice
what he
is
deserves.
deniable.
Yeah.
Justice denied means justice denied. What this means?
Means justice can deny, but it cannot be denied. Means the result can be late, but it will come.
Okay, Rishika, what do you want to? Are you in favor of my decision that I want to give power
Will
to
it
only?
come up?
Yes, yes. Keep quiet. I'm giving one more question that I am in favor of giving all the power to one person. So I would like to ask Rishika over here. Would you like to say something in this one, or are you agree with me?
No, sir, I'm not agree with you.
No, no.
Because sir, you said that give power to at least a person and who control over all over the country. I don't think so. It is right because this not a means a small island and what it is a big um, reason and with so many people in the like cabinet ministers, prime ministers, presidents, the whole country
But Rishika, I'm talking
one
only
person can.
about, yes, I'm only talking about the honest, sincere, and strong leader like me. Would you like to give me the opportunity? Asta,
Sir,
yes,
if
yes.
you said that you are honest, yeah, okay. All citizens are in favor of you. Okay, I'm also in favor of you. But what about the opposition party? What about the other citizens who made you feel that you are trying to amend the constitution?
Yeah, there will be no
There's
constitution. There will be no constitution, no opposition party. Only one man. Shafiq Ahmed will be there. Only one man.
then you have to go back with the help of time machine.
No, I am just talking about to change the form of government. Democracy is not the best one, and that you want one man leader, one great leader who can change the thing every time. So I'm talking about that honest, sincere, and the greatest one. So why don't we give opportunity to such person? Okay, if you don't agree with me, let us find some such one. Let us go to the world thoroughly and find a particular king, like a king. Let us find a king and give him the strong responsibility to change our country. So why can't we change the form of the government over here? So I would like to give opportunity to who is raising hand now. um, Ravi Raj is there, Ashvi is there, Oni is also want to say something. Okay, Oni, speak up.
So that time I was not able to speak because you haven't unmute me, given me option to unmute myself.
Okay, you can speak now.
And I want to tell you that, sir, in today's time, no one is Lord that he or she will be the faithful one. He or she will be the honest one. That it's the human face that human do mistake.
Yes,
And
yes.
what if any particular person they have the power to do everything, that person is also human. What if he will do mistake, then people of country will have to pay for that now.
Yes,
That
yes, yes,
person will
yes,
pay, but
yes.
country will also pay, country will also suffer. So that's not the good idea. As in democracy, we everyone have to like, if any revolution, the rights are going through with many people. It
Yes,
takes a agree and disagree. Many people used to agree, disagree, then the power is shown and come in the power of like But if we give power to one particular person, that's not the right thing, na? That
Yes,
we,
yes.
if we are giving that particular person, and if we do mistake, the country will suffer because of him or her.
But I have found one leader like Hitler. है ना? He is saying that he is ready to take the commandship and he will change the country in just few years, है
So
ना?
no
2 or 3
one
years.
knows, but no one knows the inside of anyone.
Oh,
No
yes,
one knows
yes.
na that what is inside of him or her.
Yes, right. You are right, my dear. No one knows about the insider. What he, if he
They are
will
not
change.
the Lord. They are
Yes, if he will change like Robert
not
Mugabe
God,
of Zimbabwe.
that
है
they
ना?
will do everything in favor of.
Yes, we have discussed about na Robert Mugabe of Zimbabwe. He was a very great leader. He was involved in the freedom of getting independence for Zimbabwe. But he changed later on. He was making or using unfair
Yes,
means
sir.
also to win the elections. So what if that
So
particular
that's
leader
what
will
I was
change? है
trying
ना?
to say.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Would I would like to give option to once more Ravi Raj. Would you like to say something, my dear? Where is he? Where is he, Ravi Raj? Uh, Let me unmute you. Oh, he's not there in the meeting. Oh, Supriya is also there. Okay, Supriya, speak up.
So
Yes,
will handle the whole country.
yes, yes.
So India is not a small. It is not a state that you can handle the whole state. It is a country, and the population of India is too much. So one person cannot handle the whole country. And so suppose that if the person is capable of handling the country, India, which has a lot of population, so if he or she is taking any decision, and if he or she is taking any decision, there are many people who are agree with the government, and there are many people who are not agree with a government. So
Okay.
so one thing can take place. The person who are not agree and the person who are agree, they will be agree with that person. They will enjoy the decision of that government. But what about the person who are not agree? They can kill that government also, because he is only one person is handling the whole country.
Yes,
And
Roshni also want to answer you. Roshni, come on, speak up.
Yes, I wanted to speak from so long. You didn't give me a chance only.
Yeah, I will give
Yes,
you.
yes, you were giving so late, me also.
Okay, speak up.
sir, I want to answer you that you are wrong. That we should give all the opportunities to only one person, as because if we give the right for all the things to only one person, in that case the if he do some good works also in starting, but after doing all those good work, if he get like people started praising him, and after some time he will go to the wrong path. He will start doing wrong things, as
Yes,
because
yes,
he is
yes.
getting a lot of praises.
So he will start
And this,
feeling proud on himself or
Okay. I
herself.
would like to conclude over here. So, giving power to one man may be very dangerous. Also, they might be corrupt, they might be selfish, and they might be brutal also.